English together.
Small talk.
Hey, do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. How about you?
Me too. I want to go to Italy one day. What about you?
I want to visit Canada. My cousin lives there.
Oh, nice. Do you see your cousin often?
Not really, only on video calls. How about you? Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have 3. We meet on holidays.
That sounds fun. Do you eat together?
Always. We eat pizza. How about you?
In my family, we eat curry.
Curry is delicious.
Yes, good food always makes me happy.
How was your morning?
How was your morning?
Good. I had coffee and toast. How about you?
I ate rice and eggs. Do you like eggs?
Yes, I do. What about you? Do you like coffee?
Not really. I like tea.
Oh, I like tea too.
What do you usually do after breakfast?
I go to work after breakfast. How about you?
I study English in the morning.
Nice. Do you study every day?
Almost every day. What about you? Do you work every day?
Yes, but I take rest on Sunday.
That's good. On Sunday, I go shopping. How about you?
I like going to the park.
Park or shopping? Both sound fun.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.